that copying is the answer. You have to bring a part of yourself on the screen.
Fantastic experience. This is the first time I'm getting to walk the ramp for him, and it's my pleasure that I can carry his clothes hopefully the way he imagined and he would have wanted. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's always nice to be able to wear interesting clothes that we might not normally get to wear in a film and put it contextually with fashion. So it's always exciting, and I'm glad I've got to be a part of this show. I'm very, very, very happy. And to do it in so early in my career, to get to do something like this feels even nice. I wanted to be a part of Gunde, and I'm glad I was a part of Gunde. बहुत अच्छी बात है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, लोगों ने पसंद किया ट्रेलर. टीजर है ये तो शुरुआत है हमारे प्रमोशन की, और इतना अच्छा रिएक्शन मिला, इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला, तो मैं दुआ करता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि लोगों को हमारा काम बाकी गानों में, ट्रेलर्स में और फाइनली पिक्चर में भी बहुत पसंद आएगा. जितना अच्छा रिस्पांस टीजर को मिला उतना अच्छा होपफुली पिक्चर को भी मिले, यही दुआ कर सकते हैं. जी, मैं भी मिस कर रहा हूँ प्रियंका चोपड़ा जी. हम यहाँ इस वक्त गुंडे की डिस्कशन करने तो आए नहीं है, खैर कर सकते हैं ऑफ कोर्स. See, that is a promotion campaign and a strategy that Yash Raj has designed. It would be unfair on my part to comment. We are still 2.5 months away from release. आप सबको मेरे साथ, रणवीर के साथ, प्रियंका के साथ, इरफान सर के साथ, अली के साथ, सबके साथ टाइम बिताने का मौका मिलेगा. तब आप अली से ये सवाल जरूर पूछना, और मैं भी पूछूंगा उससे, और प्रियंका से भी पूछना, प्रियंका अली से भी पूछेगी, तो हम सब अली से पूछेंगे. We'll put Ali on the spot कि अली ने क्यों प्रियंका चोपड़ा जैसे इतने बड़े, इतने उम्दा कलाकार को आप सबसे छुपा के रखा. हमसे तो खैर नहीं छुपा है, लेकिन आप सबसे क्यों छुपा के रखा, इसका जवाब सिर्फ वही दे सकते.
I think the color really was bright and happy and lovely, and yes, like he said, it was all about the night. So I think there's always that bright spot in the middle of the night, and that's what I was.
Dino would like to take the credit, but I don't think so. I think Malaika understands a garment. In the previous sectors that Blenders Pride Fashion Week that we did, it was all very subdued and very earthy, the colors. And today it was something that was very funky. It is the finale. It's a happy color. And like you said, she was a star in the sky. And I think she gets the mood. She understands the garment very well. And you know, she edited the choker last minute, and she said, "I'm taking this off. I just want earrings." She knows what fashion is, and that's what's most important.
Firstly,
One
are you
second.
trying to say that I don't look happy otherwise? That I look what? Morose and dukhi kinds? No. I'm always, whenever I walk for Vikram, I'm always very excited and happy because it's a lot of fun. There's no pressure. There's always that element of go and have fun and enjoy yourself, and then we keep joking with each other once we are on ramp, and then of course my very dear friend Dino as well. After, like you said, walking after very long. So I think all of it kind of added together, and it feels great to be part of something that that you're so comfortable with. I love both these guys. They're both really adorable.
Oh, thank you.
And I mean it. Oh, it's not an awe moment. It's just very sweet. Say thank you.